Good morning.
You gotta say welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2.
Says welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. Maringi's taking out her perrito. Right? And I'm hungry and I'm gonna make some eggs.
I'm gonna eat some eggs.
You want eggs too?
Yeah.
Alright.
And eggs.
Hiding. Because I have to vlog the first portion of the morning. And probably vlog at what I'm gonna do today, which is record a video with Gabby. Are you gonna clean the house? Don't, I gotta move this though. The speaker and stuff. Oh, but yesterday, finished putting up my speakers. If you're looking at something to get, whoa! If you're looking for something to give your husbands or boyfriends, get them a surround sound like that. I'm gonna continue with breakfast and talk to you later. Oh!
That almost fell on me. Breakfast made by this guy right here. Thank you so much for my food. And I went to the store to get some orange juice. I forgot to mention, the other day that I told you guys that I was dying from gastritis, I never really said what was wrong with me.
Orange juice.
Yeah, but orange juice doesn't hurt my stomach. So what was happening the other day, because I just got a comment asking if it was like gallbladder stones or something like that. And what was it, yesterday's video, right? No, day before yesterday's video, because you're gonna watch this on day 3. Whenever the very first video of Vlogmas, I told you guys that my stomach was hurting super duper bad and I couldn't stand it and stuff like that. I never said that what I had was gastritis. I know what gastritis feels like. I've always gotten it. And the doctors have told me time and again to stay away from acidic foods. So the day before that, or 2 days before that, I had gone on a trip eating oranges like every day, and I wouldn't eat just one, I would eat 2 of them. And then I was putting tajin on them too, so that was just like the cherry on top. So I had eaten 2 oranges the night before, and then that morning I woke up, I had breakfast, and I drank a big old cup of strawberry milk with like Nesquik. And I'm also like, I cannot tolerate milk. I wouldn't say that I'm lactose intolerant though, because I don't get like constipated. What?
You can get constipated if you're lactose.
What do you get, diarrhea? Because
you can't get constipated, you can get diarrhea, you can get gastritis, or you can just get gassy. It depends on the person.
Okay, well I guess I am.
I get gassy if I drink milk.
I get number like 5 with milk. So I never drink milk because of that. And I drank, like, for some reason I just wanted strawberry milk so bad. So I drank a cup, and I guess still had like the oranges in me or something. So that whole day and the next day, which was the day that we were recording, I was dying. But it went away. So it usually lasts like a whole day if I don't take the medicine. But I had to let it take its course, and it ended up going away. So anyways, I'm gonna eat breakfast. I'm gonna drink orange juice, but I don't get those pains with orange juice, just if I eat oranges themselves. So I just wanted to tell you guys that, because I don't know if you guys are wondering or wanted to know or whatever. While Bert's filming the videos with Gabby, I'm just gonna pick up here and there at the house. How do you say it? Here at home.
Here at the house.
And yeah, I also have to wash clothes today. So on our fridge we have a picture that Olivia and Octavio sent us last year. I know that they sent them to some of you guys also, because a lot of you guys from here are subscribed to them also. So this was their Christmas card last year. I don't know, I'm pretty sure that they're gonna take one this year now that they have Camila.
Was that last year or was it the year before that? I feel like it was the year before that.
No, it was last year, I think. I could be wrong, I don't know. But I was telling Bert we should take some also and send them to you guys, because we've never taken like Christmas pictures. So if you guys are watching this, was that last year or the year bore?
I feel like it was the year before.
No, I think it was last year. It was last year.
I don't remember.
So, should we take Christmas pictures and then send them to you guys if you guys want one? Like a little postcard? Let us know and maybe that can happen.
Hi guys.
So, I already finished washing dishes. Bert's taking a shower because he's going to get ready to go film some videos with Gabby. And he's going to vlog over there a little bit to show you guys what it is that he does over there. But right now, Grecia has been wanting to do this Play Smart Early Learning book. And it's just a bunch of little activities for kids to do, like toddlers and stuff. This one's for ages 2 and up, so I'm pretty sure she's gonna be able to do a lot of them for Christmas. She will be getting some more of these. I get them off of Amazon, and this is just what they look like.
I'm gonna show guys.
I already ordered 3 more, but for ages 3 and up, since she is turning 3 this year. So this is the top row is obviously for 2 and up, and then the middle row is for 3 and up, and then the third row is for 4 years and up. So there's a lot of little books that you can order for them. So I think I had only ordered her 1 from ages 2 and up, and then I'm gonna be ordering her some from the ages 3 and up. So anyways, we're going to do one little activity right now. Can you go get a pencil? We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna, I guess, just show you guys how she can figure stuff out by herself.
Which one do you want? It's this one, Mommy.
Okay, look. Are you smart? Yeah? Okay. Grab your pencil. Okay, which one is different? What are these?
Hamburgers.
And what is this?
I had that.
How many hamburgers is there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
There's 4 hamburgers. And how many hot dogs?
1.
Okay, so which one is different? Okay, circle it. Draw a circle around it. Good job. Okay, now this one, it says let's color the vegetables. So we're gonna go to your crayons. We're gonna go to your crayons right here.
This one.
Which color is this?
Green.
Okay, so grab a green crayon
Here it is.
and color the bell pepper.
Yep.
Yes, color all of it. Good job, you're doing awesome. That's beautiful. Now what color is the carrot?
Orange.
Okay. Grab the orange crayon and color the carrot.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I can't find it.
You can't find it?
There it is.
Found it? Okay, color the carrot.
This one's gray.
Hmm?
This one's not gray, right?
This one's green, this one goes orange. So color all the white orange.
Tomato.
That's a tomato.
Yeah, do you like eating tomatoes?
I don't like to eat tomatoes. I like
Daddy.
tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
Yeah.
Is it the tomato?
Yes, it's a tomato. Or a tomato.
Ice cream's not. No, right?
Huh?
Ice cream's not right. No, Mommy?
Ice cream. There is healthy ice cream, but not this kind. Okay, now go back to here. What color is a tomato?
Red.
Red. Okay, find your red crayon.
Hold on, I'm going this one.
Oh, you're not done? Okay.
I am done now.
Okay, find the red crayon.
This one's a normal too.
Huh?
This one's a normal one too. We can buy one later, right, Mama?
Yeah, we'll buy them later.
I'm done.
You're done? Good job.
No.
Okay, let's show them. Let's show them what you did. So she colored these green, orange, and red. And now let's do the ice creams. So it says find the different ice cream. Which ice cream is different?
This one.
Good job. Now circle it.
Cover it.
No, circle the ice cream.
Around.
Good job. High five. Draw spaghetti on the plate, then put meatball stickers on top. Okay, so you're gonna have to draw spaghetti. Yeah, look, let me get the stickers. You know how to draw spaghetti?
Yeah.
Okay.
This.
Like this, look. Put a bunch of spaghetti on the plate.
This is spaghetti.
Yeah. All over the plate.
But she's not eating it.
Well, you have to draw some more. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now put your meatballs.
No, this one.
No, these are meatballs.
Another one.
Mm-hmm.
How I need the love one, Mommy? How I need love one?
You love meatballs?
Yeah.
So you'll get a sticker. What sticker do you want? As a reward. Because you did such a good job.
But we're not done with these yet.
Okay, but which one do you want from here to put on the page?
The sock.
The sock?
Yeah.
Okay, go back to it. And you get a sticker right here. Ta-da! Good job. That is pretty much what we do with these little activity books. It helps her. She's so smart. So if you guys want to like order some of these for your kids, I would highly recommend them. It keeps them busy and they're learning at the same time. So
Mom.
we have fun.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom, we got these different animals.
Yeah, all the different animals. So we're gonna keep doing this for a little bit before I start washing clothes. So what are you doing? Why I'm loud?
Very bad timing.
Well, we have been home all day. Bert was supposed to vlog, show you guys. Yes.
Mommy's cold in here.
It's cold. Oh my goodness. Bert was supposed to vlog and show you guys what he does over there with Gabby, and he apparently forgot, even though I had told him right before he left, you're gonna vlog. He forgets the camera. And then I call him and I tell him, hey, you forgot the camera. And he's like, oh, it's okay, babe, I get it. I'll do it on my phone. ¿Y qué grabaste? ¿Qué hiciste?
Fucking mean.
Stupid.
Nothing.
I didn't do any, well, not that I didn't do anything. I was washing clothes, waiting for it to come out of the washer. And I was supposed to amasar some tortillas because I had told him that I was going to make his favorite, babas con carne. But I don't like fideo. Who eats that?
Beaners do.
Fideo with papas con carne.
Dad. Dad.
Ah.
We're coming to my mother-in-law's house because he took the car. There's a bunch of stuff in the back of the truck that we didn't go throw away today that he's gonna probably have to go throw tomorrow morning. I wasn't able to go anywhere today, so I was literally stuck at home. So I had to go to the store to go buy potatoes and stuff, but then he told me that his mom had a ton of potatoes at her house. And so we're here at his mom's house right now. Nobody's here anymore. We're gonna come take some papas and some tortillas because I didn't do the tortillas either. And then we're gonna go home and make some dinner. I still have a ton of clothes to fold. I'm like halfway done washing clothes. I still have to fold it though, and then tomorrow I'll just finish the rest because it's way too much clothes and it's already gonna be 6.
Mommy.
So no. Yes.
Mom.
Yes.
Where's Wella?
Wella is coming home barely.
Wella right here?
Huh?
Wella's coming home right here?
No, Mommy Wella left to work.
Where's Wella?
Wella's by herself.
Wella's right here?
And my suegra is awesome because she always brings me carne seca que pica from across from Mexico. So this is just the bomb. But my cousin's calling me, so I will talk to you guys when we get home and we're making food.
Mom, who's calling?
Bueno. Nada, venimos a robarle tortillas y papas a mi suegra.
Somebody fell asleep. Big old sleepyhead. And she's about to make food. What are you gonna make?
Papas con carne and fideo. But I'm not gonna show it because I've showed it so many times. And you're gonna make tortillas.
It's already made. We just gotta put them in that thing.
Lucky ass. So this is what the food ended up looking like. Bert and Grecia are eating it with fideo, and he's telling me stuff because I do not like fideo. I don't like it, so I'm just gonna eat it like this. I went to the store to go buy some Big Reds. Baby girl just woke up. She slept for like an hour, which is crazy because she never sleeps, and she's hot and her cheeks are red.
It's this color face.
Do you feel okay? Yeah? With your crazy hair? We'll go take a shower right now, okay?
Yeah.
It's about to be 7 and we're watching dinner. Bree's not here. Bree went to her little house already. Say, see you guys later. I'm gonna eat my food. Why? She's not hungry. Oh yeah, Santa's watching. I told her that Santa's watching up from the star. Remember? Santa wants you to eat all your food. Santa watches all the little girls from on top of the tree. So eat your papita, come on. Yes, of course. Guys, it's already gonna be 11. It's 10:58. I took a shower earlier. Like right after we had dinner, I took a shower. Come here, mama, because it's cold outside. Bert's outside looking for dogs that are trespassing our yard. I look busted. What?
It's fine.
Huh?
There's none.
I'm getting these. They're getting like darker, right?
Looks irritated.
They itch. Like it itches. I got them with Grecia when I was pregnant with her. And I don't know if it's like my hormones or something, but I'm breaking out here. But these marks here like come out when I'm pregnant, or like when I have been pregnant. Huh? And then that's actually one way that I found out that I was pregnant, was I got these things on my skin. And yeah, but we ended up going to Midnight Snacks to get a Mexican corn in a cup, and we ate that, and then
Gross.
Bert didn't like it. I liked mine though. I didn't finish it because it was a lot. And then we saw Ratatouille, and now we're gonna get ready for bed because it's already 11 o'clock. So we will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I don't know if we're gonna go anywhere else, but that will be tomorrow's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed day 3 of vlog, right? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed day 3 of Vlogmas, and we'll see you guys for day 4. Bye.